Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly achieve their goals while others struggle to make lasting changes? What if I told you that the secret lies in the power of atomic habits? In today's video, we're diving into the transformative book, Atomic Habits: How to Become Better at Anything by James Clear. Make sure to watch until the end to catch all the valuable insights and tips we have in store for you. This book reveals the strategies to break bad habits, establish good ones, and harness the incredible power of small changes. So, if you're ready to unlock your true potential and become the best version of yourself, keep watching as we explore the key insights and practical techniques shared in Atomic Habits. The power of atomic habits. In today's fast-paced world, achieving lasting change can often feel like an uphill battle. But what if I told you that the key to becoming better at anything lies in the power of atomic habits? Atomic Habits by James Clear introduces us to the revolutionary idea that small, consistent actions can have a monumental impact on our lives. Rather than focusing on grand transformations, this book emphasizes the incredible power of the small, incremental changes we make on a daily basis. By embracing atomic habits, we shift our focus from trying to achieve massive goals overnight to developing a system of small, manageable habits that lead us towards our desired outcomes. James Clear argues that it's these atomic habits, the tiny steps we take consistently, that shape our identity and ultimately determine our level of success in any area of life, whether it's improving our health, relationships, career, or personal development. Atomic habits pave the way for lasting change and continuous improvement. Stay motivated and inspired by subscribing to our channel. We're here to support you in your path to self-improvement. The 4 laws of behavior change. Building and breaking habits can sometimes feel like an elusive task, but Atomic Habits provides us with a practical framework known as the 4 laws of behavior change. These laws serve as guiding principles to help us understand the psychology behind habit formation and make positive changes in our lives. The first law is to make a habit obvious. Our environment plays a crucial role in shaping our behavior, and by making our desired habits more visible and accessible, we increase the likelihood of performing them consistently. James Clear emphasizes the importance of cues, reminders, and triggers that serve as signals for our desired actions, making them difficult to ignore or forget. The second law is to make the habit attractive. Human behavior is strongly influenced by the pursuit of pleasure and the avoidance of pain. By associating our desired habits with immediate rewards or positive emotions, we create an intrinsic motivation that makes them more appealing. This can involve finding ways to make the habit enjoyable, connecting it with a sense of accomplishment, or creating a supportive social environment that reinforces positive behavior. The third law emphasizes making the habit easy by simplifying the process and reducing barriers. By breaking down complex tasks into manageable steps and removing obstacles, we create an environment that promotes the effortless execution of our desired habits. Making habits easy increases the likelihood of follow-through and minimizes resistance or excuses that can hinder progress. The fourth law focuses on making the habit satisfying. Our brains are wired to seek immediate rewards and gratification, so it's essential to incorporate elements that provide a sense of enjoyment or fulfillment. By celebrating small victories, incorporating rewards, and connecting the habit to long-term benefits and intrinsic rewards, we create a positive feedback loop that reinforces the habit and motivates us to continue. By making our habits both easy and satisfying, we create an environment that supports positive behavior change and increases the likelihood of successful habit formation. Habit stacking and environment design. Habit stacking is another powerful concept discussed in Atomic Habits. It involves linking a new habit to an existing one, creating a sequence that makes it easier to adopt the new behavior. By integrating new habits into our daily routines, we can ensure their consistency. Furthermore, environment design plays a crucial role in habit formation. Modifying our physical surroundings to support positive behaviors can significantly impact our ability to maintain those habits. The role of identity in habit formation. In Atomic Habits, James Clear sheds light on the profound role of identity in the process of habit formation. Instead of fixating solely on the desired outcome, Clear encourages us to shift our focus towards becoming the type of person who embodies those desired habits. This shift in perspective involves embracing the idea that our habits are not merely isolated actions, but an integral part of who we are. By aligning our self-perception with that of a person who practices positive habits, we reinforce the adoption of these behaviors in our daily lives. When we identify as someone who exercises regularly, eats healthily, or maintains a productive work ethic, these habits become an inherent part of our identity. Consequently, we naturally tend to act in accordance with our identity, making it easier to sustain and develop positive habits over the long term. This powerful connection between identity and habits emphasizes the importance of viewing ourselves not just as individuals pursuing specific outcomes, but as individuals on a journey of continuous self-improvement and growth. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so we can help you even more. Overcoming obstacles and habit plateaus. On the path to building atomic habits, we inevitably encounter obstacles and face moments of stagnation. Atomic Habits provides us with valuable strategies to overcome these challenges and move forward. One such technique is to shift our focus from fixating on the end goal to embracing the process. By emphasizing the journey and the daily actions we take, rather than getting overwhelmed by the final result, we cultivate patience and persistence. James Clear introduces the 2-minute rule as a powerful tool to overcome inertia and initiate habits. The rule is simple. If a habit takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it right away. By starting with a small and easily achievable version of the habit, we overcome the initial resistance, which often prevents us from taking action. Once we begin, it becomes easier to continue and build momentum towards more extended and complex habits. Another essential strategy is habit tracking. Keeping a record of our daily habits, progress, and setbacks allows us to stay accountable and maintain motivation. Tracking provides valuable insights into our habits, helping us identify patterns, recognize areas for improvement, and celebrate our successes. It serves as a source of encouragement, reminding us of how far we've come, even during challenging times. The power of habit tracking and reflection. Keeping a record of our habits and progress plays a vital role in behavior change. By tracking our habits, we create a heightened sense of self-awareness regarding our actions and behaviors. We gain insights into our patterns, strengths, and areas for improvement, allowing us to make informed adjustments to our approach. Habit tracking serves as a visual representation of our progress and helps us stay accountable to ourselves. Whether through a habit tracking app, a journal, or a simple checklist, monitoring our habits provides a tangible record of our efforts and achievements. It keeps us motivated by reminding us of the consistency and dedication we have demonstrated. Moreover, when we encounter setbacks or deviations from our desired habits, tracking allows us to identify the triggers or circumstances that may have led to those lapses, helping us to proactively address them. In addition to habit tracking, Atomic Habits underscores the importance of reflection. Taking the time to reflect on our habits and progress enables us to learn from our experiences and make informed decisions for improvement. Reflection helps us identify what is working well and what may need adjustment in our habit-building journey. By analyzing the impact of our habits on our overall well-being and personal goals, we can refine our strategies and focus on areas that require attention. Be the first to know about our exclusive self-improvement and money-making content. Turn on the notification bell and stay ahead of the game. Building habits for long-term success. The ultimate objective of Atomic Habits is to establish habits that lead to long-term success and personal growth. James Clear introduces the concept of the plateau of latent potential to emphasize that significant change often occurs after consistent effort over time. It is natural to experience periods where progress seems slower or less noticeable, but these plateaus should not discourage us. Instead, they should serve as reminders of the potential growth and transformation that lie ahead. To build habits for long-term success, it is crucial to focus on the process rather than fixating solely on immediate results. Embracing the journey and appreciating the small victories along the way helps us maintain motivation and momentum. By breaking down our goals into small, manageable steps and consistently engaging in the necessary actions, we create a strong foundation for lasting change. Additionally, Atomic Habits encourages us to cultivate an understanding of the compounding effect of habits. The impact of small, incremental changes may not be immediately apparent, but over time, these atomic habits accumulate and lead to substantial transformation. It is the consistent practice of these habits that shapes our identity and propels us towards long-term success. Conclusion. And there you have it, an overview of the transformative book, Atomic Habits: How to Become Better at Anything by James Clear. This book teaches us that small, incremental changes can have a profound impact on our lives. By applying the principles of making habits obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying, we can transform our behaviors and achieve long-lasting success. Remember, it's through consistent action and a focus on our identity that we can cultivate the atomic habits that lead to personal growth and a fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.